Now, I am Abdullah Mamun, lecturer, Dolatpur Girls Degree College, Dolatpur, Kustia. Everybody knows that the respiratory disease COVID-19, our educational institutions, educational system is very disturbed, and our college or all educational institutions are closed down according to the advice of our government. So we cannot get proper education from the institutions. So our government has taken a proper step to deliver the educational system to the students. Thank you. Thank our government for the taking step. According to the advice of the educational board, our principals ordered to the teachers, you should have taken a class for the benefit of the students. That's like, according to the advice of our institution rules, I have taken a online class about the completing sentence. According to the new syllabus, we know that according to the syllabus, this question number was 4, but now this question is includes here question number 3, but the pattern of the question is changed. According to the previous routine or questions pattern, the students must have or written. The student must write 10 questions. Every question contains 0.5 marks. So 10 into 0.5 equal 5 marks. But now, according to the new syllabus, these questions contain 7 marks. The questions will be included 7. So every questions or every noun contains 1 mark. Now I discussed about the completing sentence. Here I have written 7 questions. These questions will be finished or solved according to the rule of the grammatical rules. According to the grammatical rules, here I have written, if you come in time, anybody will comes in time, I will solve the questions, I teach properly, I will go there, and many other things will be written here. If we get the if clause contains present indefinite tense, the next clause will be future indefinite. If we get the first indefinite in if clause, the other clause will be the first condition of future. If we get the first perfect tense in if clause, we will get the past perfect condition of future. So according to the rule, we can write, according to the rules and meaning, we can write the correct answer. If you come in time, I shall or oblique will go there. Here I have written an answer in future indefinite tense. According to the grammatical rules, we can write the next tense. If you came in time, here we can get the past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Now we write the past condition of future. I would go there. Here would is past form in will. So this is the future indefinite, the condition of past of future. Now another, if you had come in time, I would have gone there. Here, according to the first condition, I have written I will go there. According to the second condition, I would go there. According to the third condition, I would have gone there. So this is the present indefinite tense. Now next we get past indefinite tense. In the third we get past perfect tense. So according to the meaning or grammatical rule, I have written I shall go there and I would go there, I would have gone there. This is the first condition, this is the second condition and the third condition. First condition, second condition, third condition. This is the first indefinite tense, future and past condition, future and past perfect condition. Here if we get if plus present indefinite tense, the next clause will be future indefinite tense. If plus past indefinite tense, the next clause will be future past condition of future, past condition of future. If we get past perfect tense, the next clause will be past perfect, future past, the condition, the perfect condition, the past future and past perfect condition. Now next, he is so intelligent. Here we can get so that, so dot dot that. If we get so dot dot that in the sentence, the next clause will be according to the tense of the first clause. Here this sentence is a present tense. Now the next clause will be present. Here is present, can is present. Now is, was, could. According to the meaning or tense, the next clause will be written. This is the present indefinite tense, so this sentence is present. If we get the past tense before that, after that we will write present or past. Here we eat food so that, here so that, if we eat food so that we may live, we may live. This is the present tense before so that. The next tense or next clause will be present. So may is present form. So we may live, we may live, we may or can lead a healthy life. Now next, though he is rich, this is the present tense. Though he is rich, this is present tense. The next tense will be present. Though he is rich, he is dishonest. If we get the past tense, this clause will be past. This clause is present tense. That clause will be present. So though he is rich, he is dishonest. This sentence is completed. Would you mind if we get the the next sentence will the next opening the door. If we get the would you mind, the next part will be verb plus ing plus object. These 7 questions have completed according to the grammatical rules and meaning. In the exam paper, we should have complete the completing sentence according to the meaning or grammatical rule. So when we write down this answer, we should be careful about the next clause. No more today. Thank you everybody.